part 4 and part 5, we will see how to perform the single flap approach step by step. In part 4, in particular, we will focus on the way to manage the flap from the incision line to flap elevation and how to deal with the defect debridement and the roots surface decontamination. These two parts are relevant because they are common to the procedure. In other words, they are independent from the fact that you are using a specific regenerative device. The teaching objective of this part is to develop competence and skill in flap design, particularly the flap outline, and the root defect debridement according to the SFA principle.